Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video will be covering the history of the sport of baseball. Please enjoy.
Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum.
It all began a long time ago when most cultures had some sort of stick and ball game, cricket being the most well known. While the exact origins of baseball are unknown, most historians agree that it is based on the English game of rounders, which is similar to baseball in many ways. In 1845, Alexander Cartwright, pictured here, wanted to formalize a list of rules by which all teams could play by, and much of that original code is still in place today. The first recorded baseball contest took place a year later, in 1846, when Cartwright's Knickerbockers lost to the New York Baseball Club in a game at the Elysian Fields in Hoboken, New Jersey. Amateur games like these became more frequent and thus more popular. The early 1860s, however, were a time of great turmoil in the United States. In those years of the Civil War, the number of baseball clubs dropped dramatically. But interest in baseball was carried to other parts of the country by Union soldiers, and when the war ended, there were more people playing baseball than ever before. Going forward a bit, a large percentage of professional baseball players entered the armed forces during World War II. The 40s were a difficult time for baseball, but a new era beckoned, one in which baseball could be played by everyone. Now that we've wrapped up the history of baseball, let's go to some fun facts. Or should I say, fascinating factoids. The first being that a typical MLB grade baseball has 108 stitches. Bet you didn't know that. The second being that the longest baseball game in history lasted for 26 innings. It was set on the 1st of May in 1920. The last fun fact is food related. During MLB games, about 25.5 million hot dogs and 5 million sausages are sold every year. These hot dogs are enough to stretch from Wrigley Field in Chicago, Illinois, to Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles, which is just mind-boggling. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Bye!